Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In my hands, I'm holding the Stamp and Die set by Debbie Adams. It is called The Perfect Avocado, and Debbie Adams is a licensed Spellbinders designer, and this Stamp and Die set came in my June 2018 Spellbinders surprise bundle. And so in looking at the idea on the back, it inspired me to try my hand at some watercolors. Now, I gotta be honest with you, I have never, ever in my life have I tried coloring with water on the watercolor paper. So I am not the artist in the house. My daughter is the artist in the house, and she does amazing paintings, both in oil and watercolor. And I tell you, the girl's got talent. Okay, so she gave me watercolor paper, and what I want to do is I want to apply some color here and then die cut these pieces and put them on the card. So I thought I would go ahead and turn the camera on. This is just a cheapo 99 cents or less. I forget how I acquired this, and these are watercolors. So basically, I believe what I gotta do is I have to dip my brush in water, and ooh, I like that color pink, and work it. And so I think I'm doing this right. I don't know, and we will know as we go along. And let me make sure that, oh, look at that. It works. I want to apply some pink. And let's see, pear. I don't eat pears, so I'm not that good as far as judging the color for the pear, as far as that's concerned. So I'm just going to do a few strokes like this. And there's a little bit of green, but I don't know if I like that green. It's a little bit too green for me, but we'll see. I guess the magic is in blending in. So we are going to be blending in. Whoops. And just blending it in, blending it in, blending it in, blending it in, and blending it in. And I think I want more pink in my pear. And there we go. Just like so. And let me see how big the die is. The die is a little bit bigger than that, so I think I'm going to be applying a little bit more yellow. And for those of you who've watched my Distress ink videos, I have done almost the same effect using my Distress inks. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Let me take a look at this picture again. Apply a little bit more pink over here. And let me see if, yeah, I think this die is going to be that size. And I guess I have to wait for it to dry. So that would be for one pair. Now for the other pair is more green. Oh, and it has some white. But you know what? I'm really enjoying the pink. And I think I'm going to throw in some orange in the mix. So let's do that. Throw a little bit of orange in the mix. And I don't think there's that much color in there. It doesn't look like there is. But I'm really liking this pink. So we're going to do a little bit more pink. And let's do a little bit of yellow for good measure. And I hear a ding in the background, and that's my roast. I'm making roast. and it's been on the crock pot for 4 hours, so it's telling me that it's done. Let me throw a little bit more orange in the mix, and let's see how we do. You know what? I am going to have to use my heating gun to dry that up, so let me go ahead and take care of that. And let's go ahead and heat this up. Does it look dry? Almost. Okay, it looks dry now. This one's gonna go here. This one's gonna go like so. I'm so excited. So, get that there. I suppose this there. Move this out of the way and let me get my Spellbinders. And the machine that I'm using is the Spellbinders Platinum 6, and I tell you, it is my best friend. I love using the Platinum 6 because it has the same exact strength as the big one, the Platinum 8, but if y'all have seen my craft room, you know that I'm dealing with a very limited amount of space, and I just love this machine because it fits on my desk so well, and I can put it away in my craft room. My other machine is sitting in a different room, and I only pull the other machine out when I'm using it on with a larger, bigger dies. So this is perfect. Alrighty. And I love this. Cuts like butter, baby. There's one. There's two. I'm looking at my pears, and the colors that I chose, to me it looks more like candy corn than pears, but you know what? This is my very first time doing this, so I'm surprised at how easy it was. So, okay, this moves out of the way. Let me put this out of the way. And just like the inspiration picture over here, I like their use of the dark background. And my friend Julie K from Paper Play with Julie K gifted this to me, and I've been using it, and I think this would be so cool against that background. So cool. And oh, I like how they do this as well. But you know what? I don't know if I want to do here, let me do the leaves. And what else do we have? Oh, that leaf goes like that. Oh, and the stems. We have stems. Let's do the stems, and let's do a couple of leaves. And yeah. Oh, I like how they do one on top of the other like this. But you know what? We're going to keep it simple because I'm learning. And oh, I love this. I love, love, love this. So, okay, I'm going to be using this sheet right here as a background sheet. Put this to the side. And I'm just going to do a couple of these, and I'm going to die cut couple of pieces over here, like so. Alrighty, and that will be in green and in brown, and then we put our card together. Okay, so I have my cardstock for my green leaves, and here is my brown cardstock for my stems. And I wanted to remind you that Spellbinders Platinum does cut through several layers. So I just wanted to show you how well it cuts through these 2 layers of cardstock, since I need 2 stems. And let's just pass this through once. And as you can see, it has cut through it. And here's this one. Oops, and here's the other one. And let's go ahead and take our Spellbinders tool-in-one . And now I'm going to do my best to try and separate the 2 die cut pieces. There we go. That's 1, and that's 2 stems. And I just wanted to show you that to remind you that when you have your Spellbinders Platinum, you can save time by cutting several pieces of the same shape, because this machine was made to do just that. Okay, so now that we have our pieces cut, I'm going to take the stamp and do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to use this. And let me put this to the side. Here we go. And here we go. This one's gonna go like so. Alrighty. That is so cute. Okay, so now that I have everything for my card, I gotta figure out how the placement is going to be. So this way I cut my cardstock to the size that I need it to be. So one's gonna go here, and let's say this one's gonna go like so, and then this is going to go like so. So this one has a scratch. So what I need to do then is let me align okay, and this one can go like so. So I need it to be 1, 2, 3, about 3.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So this needs to be cut at 3.5 by 4. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay. So that's done. And now I'm going to see if I could. This is from the hot glue. I know it looks bad. Sorry. It's just hot glue. Okay. And I think I want this like this. And I think I want this like this. And then this like this. Okay, so here we have just a blank card base, and we're going to need to cut it down to size about, let's see, go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/4. We're going to cut it down to 4 1/4. Okay. And 4 1/4 is right there. Let me make sure that I'm right. Yeah. 4 1/4. And I think I want to pop this up as well. So let's do that. That's it. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Now, let's go ahead and do something light here on the inside.